It's a muggy Sunday evening, and I went over to the Redland Middle School to do an update on the athletic fields and the school and the area around Redland Middle School. As you can see, they've got the baseball diamonds well manicured there. You can see the moisture rising out of the trees in the background there. That's the result of all that rain we had this afternoon. Anyway, there's the other baseball diamond. Not sure what all that is right there by the football field, but I think it may be bleachers that they have to assemble. But anyway, there's the football field. The area around the middle school is coming along rather nicely. Coventry has some lots that are for sale there right directly across from the school. And if you have children in that age range, it'll make it very convenient for them. Now here's the Coventry subdivision, which is adjacent to the Redland Middle School. It's filling out rather nicely. There's still quite a few lots there that you can see that are still available. And we're going to swing around here to the left to see how it connects up to the school. It's a beautiful surrounding area of the Redland area, adjacent to Emerald Mountain and the Brookwood subdivision. Anyway, there you have it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.